Happy holidays everyone, and welcome back to another festive hair tutorial. The hair prep is very simple for this style, just a square bang section with 9 total pin curls, so 3 rows of 3 on the top of the head. The side sections are all going to be rolled the same way, and I like to push these pin curls up to the hairline to create a bit of a groove, so that when it's brushed back, it has that nice little vintage touch. I also like to roll this section very high and up off of the face. That way when you're styling it, the hair already wants to go in a natural upward, pulled back motion. And I just want to mention this is not a very detailed pin curling hair tutorial. I do have other videos showing you my pin curl process. This is more of applying those techniques to a simple hair setting pattern and a style. All the pin curls are standard lie flat pin curls, and they face away from the face in the same direction. And now that the set is complete, I'm just going to apply my hairnet before bed and let it dry overnight. Alternatively, you could use heat if you don't have time for a wet set. So it is the next day, the pin curls have dried, and I am ready to take them out. My plan is to take out the curls that are in the back and kind of brush that out first and work my way forward. The pin curls in the back were a little larger, so they shouldn't take very long to brush out. I'm going to add some pomade. To brush out the hair, I'm using my Denman 7-row styling brush, working bottom to top. And of course, if you prefer using rollers to pin curls, by all means you can utilize that method for almost any pin curl hairstyle instead. I've just recently got back into the pin curling process, and I've been quite motivated sticking with it lately. It doesn't have to be perfect. I can come back and fine tune it later, but just so we can see what we're working with for the back base of the hair. And depending on how much hair is in these side sections, we can always take and add if we need to. But what I was hoping for was a nice kind of smooth brush out with a nice curl at the bottom. And there isn't a lot of waving happening because all the pin curls faced mostly the same direction. We can remove these pin curl clips or bobby pins. So the way we did our pin curls, the hair is going to naturally want to pull back. It's great for any kind of updo, or if you want to wear your hair half up, half down. And to start off our easy, simple updo, I'm just taking those side sections and pulling them back and crossing them around the backside of the bangs and pinning them in place with bobby pins. To create that lovely little heart-shaped bang, I'm just adding a hairnet and securing it in the back with a bobby pin, and you can shape it however you like. And fine-tuning the back of the hair with my comb. patiently waiting for those soft waves and ridges to appear. To make this hairstyle even festive, you can accessorize with hair clips, flowers, or of course some velvet bows. These bows off Amazon. I got two colors, red and black, and I love them both. They come with little duckbill clips, and I just slipped one right onto the surface here where the hairnet kind of meets my head, and it'll cover anything that you don't want anyone to see. And of course, another great winter staple hair accessory is of course a beret. You can find them pretty much anywhere online. I got mine from Amazon. This is a very soft, fuzzy knit style. It's really warm. So if you're cold, you can pull it down over your ears. My favorite way to wear a beret is kind of in the tilt style, but there are so many different ways you can wear them. And in case you're wondering what a full brush out on this pin curl set would look like, I did brush it out just to show you what your options for day 2 hair could be. So if you decide to do a curly style for your first day or some kind of half updo, just know that your second day hair might look something like this once fully brushed out.